Hello guys, this is Johnny from Beijing Arislock. We mainly produce European standard building hardware such as mortise lock, lever handle, Euro cylinder, and butt hinge. Today I will show you something about our best-selling articles. The door lock complete set includes the sashlock, the lever handle, and the Euro cylinder. For this sashlock, we have got the CE certificate and certifier certificate from Warrighton. And in fact, we are the only factory who got this certificate in China up to now. It's fire rated, 2 hours fire rated. And you can press the handle to draw back the latch. The deadbolt 2 turns with key action. Second one, the lever handle. This one is stainless steel 304. The diameter is 19 mm. Diameter 21 mm is also available. It's also fire rated. We have got the CE certificate from Intertech. The Euro cylinder. This one is a cylinder with knob. And we also have passed the EN test and got the certificate from Intertech. The material of the cylinder is brass. And if you have any questions about the door lock, please contact me. See you next time.